All right, guys. Merry Christmas here from Merry Old Saint Nick. That is my actual name, aka Practical Web Dev. So we're gonna go ahead and do probably this might be the last sale that I ever do because Practical Web Dev is gonna soon be integrated into a larger project that I've been working on. It's gonna be a part of something bigger. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if I'm gonna do many other sales ever again, just because how you access this is gonna change. But for now, December 23rd to January 2nd, we're gonna be running a sale, the lowest I've ever gone. So we did the Black Friday sale. I got I did really well with that. We'll just keep it at that. Thank you guys for having faith in me, purchasing the course, using it. I get good messages all the time from it. I really, really appreciate you guys. I'm glad that you like it. Again, I still think I have the best learning material for just getting competent really, really fast. And then now that AI is here, you can merge with AI once you know all your basics and again, build everything. The model of sitting in your house for a year and becoming a front end React master has been dead for many years now, although a lot of people are still trying to push it. Don't get caught up in that, guys. Do not get caught up in that. So, $39.99, lowest price I've ever done for lifetime access. It's going to go from December 23rd to January 2nd. Check it out. By the way, if you were on my email list, you got this information like 2 days sooner than everybody else. So keep that in mind. Check the description link below. If you want to sign up for the email list and figure this stuff out and get announcements about Practical Web Dev faster than they go on YouTube, sign up. You can sign up your email address. You also get the No BS Web Development Roadmap, where even if you don't take this course, that's completely free. It tells you what languages to learn in what order, and most importantly, how much of each language, how much HTML, CSS should you know before moving on, how much JavaScript, you don't need to learn nearly as much as you think, how much PHP to be a full stack developer, again, not nearly as much as you think. So go ahead and check that out. But yeah, guys, lifetime access is now up $39.99. After January 2nd, that's going away. Probably be the last sale that I ever do, like I said, just because we have future plans here for Practical Web Dev. The channel's still going to remain. Still going to, pump videos out every once in a while. But as you can see, I've been busy. I'm still getting videos out, but I'm really working really, really hard on a much bigger project that Practical Web Dev will be a part of. So keep that in mind. More on that to come in the future. I'll let you guys know what's going on, because the other stuff that I'm working on, the other content that I'm creating, I know at least some of you that are subscribed to this channel are going to love that. But yeah, guys, again, this is it. This is the course. This is the one course to rule them all. If you want to be a full stack developer, get the skill done. Everybody's doing their New Year's resolutions now. You ask me, that's a bunch of bullshit. You're either going to do something or you're not going to do it. So I'm not framing this as a New Year's resolution thing like all the other people out there that I'm sure are. Come on, guys, you got to get in the game now. It's a new year. It's a new you. Look, dude, here's the sale. If you want the skills, if you're sick of fucking around, just check it out. $40. If you absolutely hate it, I will give you your money back. Okay? Give it a shot. If you want blunt, straight to the point videos, 5 minutes or less, you want to become a full stack developer within a couple months, and then you can merge with AI and build whatever you want or get any kind of job you want, do any kind of freelancing you want, anything. Okay? You can do anything. AI is here now. It's like having a senior web developer right next to you at all times to guide you. All you need is the fundamentals. You'll be okay. You'll learn, okay? You'll get it. And AI will just jumpstart your progress and make you even more effective way faster. So again, we go through completely project-based. Each lesson, there's a ton of lessons. There's 444 lessons, but this whole course, become a full-stack developer, sits at about around 40 hours, maybe a little bit more. And you could just stop. If you just want to do front-end, you can just stop after the JavaScript stuff. But this is project-based 100%. No fluff. We're not going to sit there in theory. We're not going to look at slides and go through lectures about shit. Everything is projects. We start with HTML. We build a multi-page website with just HTML, so you learn it really well, really fast. We get into CSS. We learn how the basics of CSS, colors, fonts, all that. And then we start learning layout. We start with single column layout. Then we go to multi-column layout with Flexbox. We learn grid. We learn mobile responsiveness in the easiest way anybody's probably ever taught it to anybody. So you know how to make stuff mobile right out of the gate. And then we clone a couple of big projects here. We got the HubSpot landing page clone, which is a really good project. And then from there, guys, if you ever wanted more HTML and CSS, of course, you could always just go to Practical Web Dev, and I've got a whole bunch of builds for free. So if we go to the channel, go to playlists, and I still have to add the, did I put YouTube on there? Oh, I did. Famous website clones. If you want to clone a bunch of famous websites here, you just click on the famous websites clone playlist, and we clone YouTube homepage, Netflix, Google, Airbnb, and the Microsoft landing page, and a little bit of JavaScript thrown in those as well. So if you still want to wet your whistle that way, go for it. Then we get into JavaScript, which is probably the crown jewel area of the project, because everybody, you pretty much have to learn JavaScript, whether you want to be full stack or not. This is the perfect intro to how to learn JavaScript and programming in general, because we start out so simple and we get a little more complex at a time, just a tiny bit, and you learn all the fundamentals of not just JavaScript, but programming in general, so that when you jump into PHP or any other language in the future, you're going to be like, oh, loops, variables. Yeah, I get that. Functions, I understand. Yep, no problem. Like, it's really nice, okay? After we do all of the courses for, or the projects for JavaScript, which is probably about 10 more. Again, everything that I teach, guys, is just project-based. We learn by building different projects. There's no bullshit, okay? There's zero. I kept this straight and to the point for every lesson. Then we jump into PHP, how to make full-stack apps, how to, we learn about the back end. We learn about databases. I teach you MySQL database, the most popular database in the world. And then, most importantly, I tell you guys how to make money with your skills now. How to find a 9-to-5 job if that's what you want, how to freelance, how to get clients, what kind of portfolio you need for freelancing because it's different than a 9-to-5, how to make money as an entrepreneur and build what I call a business system, which you're looking at Practical Web Dev right now. This is a content business system, and I teach you the mindset and how I got started and how to do all that as well. And I also recommend way more early on that as soon as you guys learn HTML and CSS, you're actually going to start creating a YouTube channel, documenting your progress, helping people build stuff, because when you teach stuff, it helps you master something way faster. It also gives you a lot of online and social proof and credibility for any future employers. If they see that you have a YouTube channel and now you're helping other developers learn and teaching stuff, dude, what do you think that does for your hiring chances? They skyrocket, okay? It's a big deal. So again, guys, $39.99 is on sale right now. All right. If you're really serious about it, this is as cheap as it's probably ever going to get. Take it or leave it. I'm not offended if you leave it. Go through all. If not, follow all my videos on Practical Web Dev. You can still learn a lot from all my free stuff too. Just stop dragging your feet, guys. Stop trying to become senior web developers at home. It's not going to happen. Learn the fundamentals. Merge with AI. All right, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.